Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Life360 not tracking walks. So to fix this issue, you can start by enabling your location to always. So what you can do is go to your device settings. Once you go to your device settings, go to privacy and security. Once you go to privacy and security, go for location services and then find Life360. Once you find Life360, make sure that the precise location is turned on and the location access is set to always. Now the next what you can do is enable the physical activity or motion tracking. You have to go to your device setting one more time. Then go to search bar and then search for Life360. Once you go to Life360, make sure that the motion and fitness is toggled on. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.